Yeah. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to download and install Visual Studio, right, to develop .NET desktop level applications and web level applications, ASP applications and C# applications. How can we download and install Visual Studio? Here in Google, just type Visual Studio, download, download. Then it will show you that visualstudio.microsoft.com from the official website. We can download here. It will show the three things: community, professional and enterprise. As a student, right, we always go with the community version because it is completely free download. It's not free trial like enterprise and professional. Right here, whenever we just click on that free download, then automatically the download will start. See, Visual Studio setup. Once it is completed, then click on this one. Here it is, installer started. When you click on that one, yes, right, just click on continue and it will download whatever the things required for installation. Everything will be downloaded automatically. Make sure that, right, internet connection should be present. So once the basic things which are required for installation, right, which are downloaded and installed, so then we need to select what are the things which are required in our Visual Studio Code. And this is the window which is open where we can select all the individual components for installation. Here it is a .NET desktop development, ASP.NET web development, Azure, Python, Node.js, .NET desktop development, and all the things it is showing. Data storage processing, Visual Studio extension, everything. See here for desktop level applications, we need to select the .NET desktop application development. So please select this one. How much space is required means what? Look at this. The total space is required is a 8.18 GB space is required. So we are doing not only with the desktop applications, right? We need to develop the web applications also. The web applications we can develop using ASP.NET. So that web development also. The total thing is what? 9.42 GB. Right after selecting these two, ASP.NET and as well as the .NET desktop development, just click on install. Then automatically installation process will start. Right, what all the things which are required, right, everything one by one will be downloaded. Right here it is how much need to be downloaded and everything it will show here. After that all the things will be installed. See, installing package 1 2 3 of how many need to install, total 466. It will take so much of time. Right, once installation is completed, then how can we work with all these things, I'll explain. Okay, right. So once the download and installation has been completed, what all the things required, it will show that message a restart is required if needed in anything. Any remaining setup will resume automatically after the restart. Okay, so whenever you just click on the restart, automatically it will restart. Okay, do the same thing whenever you install the Visual Studio install. Thank you.